Hi, we are Aretech, a group of coders and problem solvers. We are also a finalist of Hackathon 2019. For the NASA SpaceX Challenge 2020, we are working on the problem, what is our carbon footprint? For the solution, we are developing a project, Heroes of Earth.
During our research on carbon footprint, we found that beside the big industries in the developed countries, we, the mass people, are also contributing to carbon footprint at a large scale. Most of the people are not even aware of the fact that our household appliances, transportation preferences, food and personal habits, and even our dressing habits also contribute in the emission of greenhouse gases. On the other hand, being a group of problem solvers, we understand that the scientists and researchers need data on what are the human activities that causes most of the carbon emission. Also, when, how and where do these activities take places? How much of carbon do they emit? Our game Heroes of Earth will assist the user to find out how he contributes to carbon emission, what activities and tools he uses that emits carbon and in what amount. It will help him to figure out how he can reduce the amount of carbon emission in his daily activities. It will set him various goals in his day-to-day life and assist him to complete them, thus change his lifestyle to reduce the carbon emission. The technologies we are using in these projects are mobile app to assist the user to analyze his daily activities, personal habits, household appliances, and fulfill his daily goals. Machine learning tools to predict the amount of carbon emission by the user's daily activities and to suggest him possible solutions. Server technologies to store and analyze the data from the user's daily activities. To demonstrate the app's features, we will go through the app. First, the user will register, then he will give some additional information so that the app can understand him better and suggest him daily tasks accordingly. The user will enter his current daily activities. The size of his current carbon footprint will be calculated based on his current daily activities and it will be shown in the next window. This is the dashboard. We are currently in the daily challenges section. Here the user will get his daily challenges or tasks. He will mark his completed tasks daily. In the profile section, the user will know his experience level and his daily tasks completion rate. In the failed section, the user will know his incomplete tasks of the day and tips to increase the task completion rate. Finally, this is the overall progress section. Here the user will get an idea about how well he has been doing to reduce his carbon footprint and its effect on the environment. Our game will also work as a medium of survey on the people's activities and lifestyle affecting the carbon footprint. We will store this mass user data in our server. By analyzing and using appropriate attributes, we will create a dataset that can be used for research purposes and make it free for everyone. We believe this dataset will be helpful for scientists and researchers to analyze the human lifestyle for mapping carbon sources and sinks.